your pride. No more dancing, no more goose.
We're here in a super convenient location in Boondall, and I'm standing in front of a low maintenance, low set home ready for you to move in and enjoy. I'm Tiana from What Realty, and we're excited to bring you to Rostervor Road here in Boondall.
I don't know who you are. With your mask on, with your mask on. I don't know who you are, but I've seen you in my nightmares. You don't love me anymore. You don't love me anymore.
With modern touches and gorgeous character, this low set home will offer you comfortable living. If this looks like something you'd be keen to check out in person, get in touch with our team now.